you're towing somebody, huh? Were they parked right here? From where? Okay. Looks like high school graduates or something, or looks like it.
Hey, don't be taking pictures of the car, bro. 22, it was supposed to start out with HFAC or something like that.
Right.
You
RF?
can Google it, huh?
RF?
No, you can Google it.
Where are your grocery bags at?
Huh?
Where are your grocery bags on your feet?
I don't need it right now. Anyway, if you Google it, it'll tell you what your machine is. You put that number in, you say, hey, this says, and I think it said, it always, HF or something. It says R22s will always start out at HF. You know that's not a new unit, but it said as well.
Yeah, it is. It's brand new, isn't it?
Yeah.
Top of the line.
But it said it's well worth, if it's working, to charge it up. And it said if a professional done it.
That's you. You're a professional.
Yeah, right. You are. If something goes wrong. If something goes wrong.
If something goes wrong, yeah.
So they said an average would take, for most units, 150 to 300 for the Freon on the older units if they were completely empty.
Dollars.
And yours ain't it, yeah. Because it costs 12 times 30 is 360, and then the lower units are 6 pounds, so that would be 180. And they said an average of 100. I googled a lot. They said an average of 150 to 300 just for the Freon. And they said these people come out charge anywhere from 600 for the. I don't know if that was just for the labor. I think that was on top of the Freon. They said they charge 600.
And how much am I giving you? 100, right?
100. Plus that 25. For
Right.
we might apply that to the Freon. We'll see. But start out, I'll show you which ones when you get your money. What we're going to
Okay.
have to buy is that $40 unit. Then I found 2 cans for $10. If they're still that price, it came up. So that would be.
So it seems
that's
like,
only-
Gene,
so
correct me if I'm wrong, it seems like by December, we'll have this thing up and running.
we'll have it running by this week as soon as you get that stuff. But I don't think a pound's enough. You're going to need the $40 unit and then the 2 4-ounces. So that'll make it. Oh, that's only 20. That stuff. If the others are 30. So we'll go with what they said. They said 2 cans for 20. So that'd be a pound. Oh, you will need 2 more orders of that. So that's another 20. So that only takes it up to 90. But if you need the 3rd pound, then it will go up to 120. But it's still cheaper to have somebody do it.
All right.
They want Freon plus 600 to 1,200. I'm guessing because we're in an expensive town, they just jack up the prices.
Yeah.
If you were in a little town, they would never charge you that.
Yeah.
Nobody would charge you. Like Smith Center, average wage is $8, and the average home you can buy a home for $10,000. Oh yeah, they wouldn't charge you no toll.
Thank you
Now,
so
I'll show
much.
you what to get. You got to write down that thing on there. You got to say in Google, give that number and say.
Okay, so you cannot guarantee me.
Yes, I cannot guarantee, sir.
What if I
Every day
what if I prepay the rooms?
No, we don't take prepaid. Everybody paid here. We don't charge online.
I can't pay beforehand?
No.
Why don't you do that?
No, we don't.
Why
We
not?
just give a room at a time, person's ID, and we match receipt and we give it to them.
Oh
because
man, come on! I just want to prepay you. I just want to give you money.
I don't want to talk to you, sir. Go.
You don't want to talk to me anymore? All right.